Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Mazda remote key fob. First thing, what we need to do is we need to remove this blade here from the bottom of the housing so we can access the fob. We do so by just sliding this latch over here, which releases the catch so we can slide the blade out. There you go. Now, at the bottom of the fob, there's two locating points where we put our flat-headed screwdriver in, here and here, and we just twist, which releases the two halves of the key fob case. And there you go. There's your key fob battery. We now get a smaller flat-headed screwdriver, and we just get it underneath and prise the battery out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2025, like this one. We simply just pop it back into the housing. We make sure that the writing on the battery is facing downwards, like that, and we know it's in its correct location. And then we just pop the two halves of the case back together. We just make sure everything's lined up. And we just click it in place. And now it's just time to pop the blade back in the bottom. Like so. And there you go. It's all done.